Good morning children, how are you all? Hope you are doing good. So children, today's class I am going to continue the lesson. Okay, in the previous class we have started a new lesson. It is Mumbai, the gateway of India. Is it? So what and all we have learned in that Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Okay, so it is the most populous city of India and fifth most populous city of the world. And it is also the richest city of India. Okay, so Mumbai is the richest city of India and it is also called as the financial capital of India. Okay, so how this earlier name of Mumbai was Bombay. Bombay was the earlier name of Mumbai. It got the name, okay, Mumbai has been named after the holy goddess Mumba Devi. Okay, Mumba Devi. I means mother in Marathi language. Okay, Mumbai. Mumba Devi got the name after the holy goddess Mumba Devi. Mumba means, okay, Mumba Devi and I means mother in Marathi language. So Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. And where does this city is located? Mumbai is situated on the western coast of India. Okay, and it is the biggest and it also has the biggest and busiest seaport of India. So Mumbai, many years ago, Mumbai was a group of 7 islands. Okay, it was a group of 7 islands and later these islands were connected with one another to form the city of Mumbai. Okay, so these islands were one another connected later to form a city of Mumbai. So in Mumbai, trade with other countries has been possible because of its location. So it is located in the western coast of India. Because of this, the trading is possible with the other countries and it is also known as the financial capital of India. And we'll see about the climate of this place. The climate of Mumbai city is neither too hot in summer nor too cold in winter. So the climate is moderate here. And the city gets heavy rainfall in the month of June, July and August. So some parts of city also gets flooded during rainy season. Okay, some parts of the city it also gets flooded during rainy season. And the government, as Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra, all the government offices are situated in the city. The main offices of Maharashtra state government are located in Mumbai city. The governor, the chief minister and other ministers and government officers live and work from this city. The public services are looked after by the Mumbai Municipal Corporation. And next it is the center of industry. So Mumbai is also a center of industry. It is an industrial hub. We have many types of industries here. Several industries like chemical, medicine, cotton, textile, edible oil, plastic and food are in Mumbai. So we have many kinds of industries in Mumbai. So it is called as an industrial hub. Mineral oil is found in the seabed near the Mumbai coast and this place is called as Bombay Hide. Oil found here is refined in a refinery. Okay, so the oil which is found here it is refined in a refinery. Baba Atomic Research Center is situated in Trombay near Mumbai. And Mumbai is also famous for its film industry and it is popular as Bollywood. Most of the films and TV serials are produced here. Okay, produced here for entertainment. Now we'll see about the people, the clothes, languages and festivals and which are the main types of food here. So, which is the official language of the city? It is Marathi. Marathi is the official language of Mumbai. Hindi, Konkani and English are also popular here. Okay, so the official language is Marathi, Hindi, Konkani and English are also popular here. But people from all parts of India have come and settled in Mumbai. They follow their own countries. festival. Ganesh Chaturthi and Diwali are the most popular festivals celebrated here. Parsis celebrate Nowruz. A week-long annual fair known as Bandra Fair starting on the first Sunday after 8 September is celebrated by people of all faiths. So this is done to commemorate the nativity of Mary, Mother of Jesus on 8 September. So these are some of the festivals which are celebrated in the city. So till here I have explained. Now we'll move on to the transport. Okay, transport. passenger traffic. So this was about the transport. So we'll have a recap. The first railway line in India was started from Mumbai to Thane in the year 1853 and the distance was about 34 km long. The Mumbai Suburban Railway is the backbone of the transport of the city. This includes the local trains and also the buses run by West. Okay, and it also have a longest bridge in the country. So it is the longest sea bridge in the country is Bandra Worli Sea Link, which was opened to the public on 30th June 2009. And the main international airport here it is the Sahara International Airport, and this is also an aviation hub, okay, where the people transfer the flights here. And this is one of the busiest airport in terms of passenger traffic. So next we'll move on to the tourist places. So Mumbai, thousands of tourists visit Mumbai every year. Okay, thousands of tourists from all parts of the world visit Mumbai every year. So we see which are the places famous here. Some of the famous tourist places are, the first one is Gateway of India. Gateway of India is one of the most famous tourist spot is the Gateway of India, and the statues of Shivaji and Vivekananda are erected near this landmark. So Gateway of India is one of the most famous tourist spot. Okay, most famous tourist spot of Mumbai, and the statue of Shivaji and Vivekananda are erected near to this landmark. The old and the famous Taj Mahal Hotel is also nearby to this. Okay, the old and famous Taj Mahal Hotel is also nearby to this Gateway of India. Then next it is a beautiful rock cut temples we have here. We call it as Elephanta Caves. Elephanta Caves are located on Elephanta Island in Mumbai Harbour. These are beautiful rock cut temples. So these Elephanta Caves are beautiful rock cut temples, and the island is 10 km to the east of the city of Mumbai. So this is an island. Okay, so this Elephanta Caves is an island, and these are beautiful rock cut temples. Okay, these are beautiful rock cut temples. And this island is 10 kilometers to the east of the Mumbai. One can reach Elephanta Caves by ferries from the Gateway of India. From here, from Gateway of India, we can reach this Elephanta Islands by the ferries. Ferries means it's a boat, small boat or ship. Okay, so we can reach from this Gateway of India to this island by the ferries from Gateway of India. Every year in the month of February, the Elephanta Festival is organized here. So every year in the month of February, the Elephanta Festival is organized here, and many dancers and musicians take part in this festival. Okay, many dancers and musicians take part in this festival. So this is the one more tourist spot. Next it is Zoo and Museum. Zoo and Museum. The Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Sangralaya, which was formerly known as Wales Museum, is one of the famous museum in India. Okay, the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Sangralaya, which is also called as Wales Museum. Okay, Wales Museum is one of the famous museum here in India. Jijamata Udyan, which was formerly known as Victoria Gardens, is one of the famous zoo in India. Okay, Victoria Gardens is one of the famous zoo in India. And the next tourist spot it is Marine Drive. Marine Drive is known for its light gateway of India. So children, now everyone open your textbook. We are going to complete the exercise part. So everyone open your textbook, page number 187. Okay, 187. We'll complete the exercise part of this lesson. Okay children, open your textbook. So children, open your textbook, page number 187. Okay, page number 187. It is Sparrow Sem2 textbook. Okay, lesson number 1, Mumbai, the gateway of India. Page number 187. So we'll complete the exercise part of this lesson. Okay, first A mean tick the correct option. Mumbai is situated on dash coast of India. It is situated on west coast. Tick here west. Write down here W-E-S-T, west. Okay, Mumbai is situated on west coast of India. Second one, the most popular festival in Mumbai is Ganesh Chaturthi, Pongal, Durga Puja. Which is the most popular festival celebrated here? It is Ganesh Chaturthi. Tick here Ganesh Chaturthi. Third one, the shining lights along Marine Drive are called the King's Chain, Queen's Necklace, Twinkling Star. What it is called? Queen's Necklace. Option B. Okay, Queen's Necklace. Fourth one, on Elephanta Cave there are rock cut gates, monuments, temples. It is rock cut temples. Tick rock cut temples. Fifth one, Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Punjab. Which is the capital? Mumbai is the capital of which state? Maharashtra. Tick Maharashtra here. Okay children, so like this you have to tick the correct option. Now we'll move on to B mean fill in the blanks. So first question, Mumbai is also known as dash city. Mumbai is also known as Alpha City. A-L-P-H-A. Alpha City. A-L-P-H-A. Second question. Mumbai has been named after Koli goddess Mumba Devi. M-U-M-B-A-D-E-V-I. Mumba Devi. M-U-M-B-A-D-E-V-I. Mumba Devi. Third one, Bhabha Atomic Research Center is situated in dash near Mumbai. Trombe. T-R-O-M-B-A-Y. Trombe. Okay. Bhabha Atomic Research Center, BA is situated in Trombe near Mumbai. So now we'll move on to the fourth question. Mumbai is also famous for its film industry, which is popular as dash all over the world. Bollywood. B-O-L-L-Y-W-O-O-D. Bollywood. Okay. Mumbai is also famous for its film industry, which is popular as Bollywood all over the world. B-O-L-L-Y-W-O-O-D. Bollywood. Fifth one, the Marine Drive is known for its lights at night called dash necklace. What it is called? Queen's necklace. Queen''S. Queen's necklace. The Marine Drive is known for its lights at night called Queen's necklace. So now we'll move on to the C main. Write T for true and F for false statement. First question. Mumbai is situated on the eastern coast of India. Is it true? No, it is false. Write F. Okay, it is situated on the western coast of India. Is it? So it is false. Write F here. Second one. Mumbai is known as the financial capital of India. Yes, it is true. T. Third one. Mumbai is also famous for its film industry, which is popular as Hollywood all over the world. No, it is false. It is not Hollywood, it is Bollywood, is it? So, Mumbai is also famous for its film industry, which is popular as Hollywood all over the world. It is false. The first railway line in India was started from Mumbai to Thane. Yes, it is true. So, the first railway line was started from Mumbai to Thane. Fifth one. Mumbai Suburban Railway is the backbone of the city's transport. Yes, it is true. Write T. Okay. So, Mumbai Suburban Railway is the backbone of the city's transport. True. So, first one is false, second one is true, third one is false, fourth one true, fifth one true. Now, we'll move on to the D main. Match the following. First question, we have A column here and B column. We have to match this. Film industry. Film industry, it is Bollywood. Write 1 here. Okay. Bombay High. Bombay High, oil. Oil is found here. Okay. It is 2. Elephanta Cave. Elephanta Cave, it is rock cut temples. Write 3 here. There is no place, so I am writing here down. Okay, children. It is 3. Baba Atomic Research Center. So it is in Trombay, right? Is it here? 4. The last one, best. Okay, Brihan Mumbai Electric Supply Transport. It runs buses. Write down 5 here. So the numbering should be 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so like this you have to write all the 4 mains. Okay, first main tick the correct option. Second main fill in the blanks. Third main true or false. And the D main match the following. Okay children, so write down the textbook exercise neatly in your textbook. The question answers answer the following will be completing in the classwork part. So the classwork part I am going to send you through the ULO notes. Okay children, so now I am going to end the session now. Complete your textbook exercise neatly. Okay, thank you.